Connecting with the team is not just a managerial duty. It's a fundamental aspect of effective leadership. As the leader of your team or department, you are akin to the captain of a ship, responsible for guiding your crew towards success. But effective leadership goes beyond simply giving orders and overseeing tasks. It requires building strong relationships, fostering open communication, and understanding the needs and concerns of your team members. In this comprehensive lecture, we'll delve deep into the importance of connecting with your team and explore practical strategies to enhance your leadership effectiveness. Understanding your role as a leader. Before delving into specific strategies for connecting with your team, it's crucial to understand the role of a leader within an organization. As a leader, you're not just responsible for directing tasks and making decisions. You are also accountable for crafting a positive work environment, motivating your team members, and driving performance. Your leadership style sets the tone for the entire team and significantly impacts organizational culture and employee morale. The importance of connection. At the heart of effective leadership lies the ability to connect with your team on a personal level. When team members feel valued, supported, and understood, they are more engaged, productive, and loyal to the organization. Moreover, a strong leader-team connection fosters trust, which is essential for effective collaboration and teamwork. Building trust through communication. Effective communication is the cornerstone of leadership and is vital for building trust and rapport with your team. As a leader, it's essential to create an environment where team members feel comfortable expressing their thoughts, ideas, and concerns openly. Regular team meetings, one-on-one discussions, and informal check-ins are excellent opportunities to facilitate communication and ensure that everyone feels heard and valued. Strategies for connecting with your team. Now, let's explore two powerful methods for connecting with your team: management by wandering about, MBWA, and back to the floor. Management by wandering about, MBWA. MBWA is a proactive approach to leadership that involves regularly walking around the workplace, engaging with team members, and observing operations firsthand. By being present and accessible, you demonstrate your commitment to your team's success and create opportunities for open dialogue and feedback. Whether you are visiting different departments, chatting with employees in the break room, or participating in team activities, MBWA allows you to stay informed about what's happening in your organization and address any issues or concerns proactively. Back to the floor. Back to the floor is another powerful method for connecting with your team, which involves leaders immersing themselves in frontline roles within the organization. By stepping into the shoes of frontline employees, leaders gain first-hand experience of their work environment, challenges, and successes. This experience not only fosters empathy and understanding, but also provides valuable insights into operational processes and areas for improvement. Whether it's spending a day shadowing a customer service representative or working alongside production staff on the factory floor, Back to the Floor allows leaders to connect with their team members on a deeper level and gain their trust and respect. Implementing connection strategies. To effectively implement these connection strategies, leaders must demonstrate authenticity, empathy, and humility. Be genuinely interested in your team members' well-being and successes, and strive to create a supportive and inclusive work environment where everyone feels valued and appreciated. Additionally, be open to feedback and willing to address any concerns or issues that arise promptly. Conclusion. In conclusion, connecting with your team is not just a leadership responsibility. It's a critical factor in driving organizational success. By adopting strategies such as MBWA and Back to the Floor, leaders can foster stronger relationships, build trust, and create a culture of collaboration and accountability within their teams. Embrace these connection strategies as essential components of your leadership approach, and watch as your team thrives under your guidance and support. Thanks for tuning in to today's video. If you found these tips helpful in boosting your efficiency, don't forget to hit that subscribe button below. For those of you looking to take your game to the next level, consider checking out the resources in the description to unlock exclusive strategies tailored just for you. And before you go, make sure to check out the next video on our channel for even more insights and techniques to supercharge your efficiency. Remember, with the right tools and mindset, you can achieve anything you set your mind to. Until next time, stay focused and stay productive.